Are you tired of playing in the sandbox while you are debating if a 4-year degree is worth the debt? The global economy just shifted from a click-based world to an answer-based world. For the 18 to 30 demographic, the rules have not just changed, they have been completely rewritten. If you are graduating right now looking for a traditional entry-level role, or contemplating if education will put you behind, when AI moves at the speed of thought, you need to stop listening to the theorists and start looking at the blueprints. Let's talk about the zero-click reality. By the end of this year, 60% of searches will result in exactly 0 clicks to external websites. Users are not visiting blogs anymore. They are getting direct surgical answers from AI systems. If you are training for a career that relies on driving traffic, like traditional copywriting or basic SEO, you are training for a ghost town. The opportunity is not in content, it is in Generative Engine Optimization. Companies are desperate for architects who know how to make a brand the single trusted source that an AI actually cites. Survival in this workforce requires a shift in your primary skill set. We call it digital plumbing. AI does not just read your text, it looks for structure. To be valuable, you must become literate in the technical languages that help machines understand the world. You do not need to be a software engineer, but you must master structured data and schema markup. This is the code that tells an AI, this is a fact, this is a verified price, and this is a credentialed expert. If the machine cannot lift your data, your brand cease to exist. So, is 4 years of university too long? It is if you wait for a syllabus to update. The method of work is changing faster than any classroom can keep up with. Keyword stuffing is a relic. Today, AI systems prioritize earned media and expert citations over brand-owned blogs. Your degree only has value if you use it to build the critical thinking skills needed for high-level thought leadership. You should not abandon your education, but you must augment it with real-time technical literacy. The people who wait for perfect clarity are the ones who get left behind. If you are entering the market now, look for roles that are evolving. You are not a content writer anymore. You are an entity manager. Your job is ensuring a company is consistently and accurately represented across the entire web, so AI models can trust the data. We are moving from SEO specialists to AEO strategists. We are optimizing for the single answer, spoken by a voice assistant or summarized in a chat window. Data integrity is the new gold standard. AI rewards specific, verified data, what we call experience, expertise, and trust. The speed of thought era does not mean human input is obsolete. It means mediocre input is obsolete. Do not just create content, create structured blueprints. Focus on building brand authority. Because AI only trusts what others are talking about. You have a massive advantage right now. The old experts are confused by this shift, but you are the AI native. Stop guessing, start architecting, build the machine, do not be the gear.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take what you learned today a step further, head over to rogerflemming.com. I've put together a free resource called the Hidden Genius Toolkit. It includes my top 25 profit prompts designed to make your AI sound human, smart, and actually valuable. These 25 ready-to-use AI prompts will instantly upgrade your workflow. You can grab that for free right now. I've dropped the link in the description below. Go get it, and I'll see you in the next video.